Hi, this is your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel. And today's topic is gonna be about the kind of people you surround yourself with. And I mean, it could be your friends, it could be your family, it could be a colleague, it could be anybody. What are the type of people you surround yourself with? But today I'm mainly gonna focus on friends. Not to offend anyone, because I know sometimes people get offended by my videos. I don't know why. I don't legit write an idea down and say, yeah, I want to offend that person. I don't do that. So whoever gets offended, I do apologize. But I mean, it's your choice. You wanted to get offended, so I guess you're guilty. But anyways, today I'm going to focus on what type of people you surround yourself with. And before I mumble on, I'm just going to give you a little example now. Hey, what's up? Okay, what are you doing? Now I'm just here planning for my essay that I'm gonna write later. Yep, another one. I honestly don't even know why I'm doing this. It's stressing me out. I honestly, I don't want to do this anymore. I honestly feel like dropping out. I just want to. Yeah, I think you should drop out too. I mean, all you've done is complain since you've been there. Like, I don't want you not to be happy. I mean, if you want to drop out, I'm here for you. Like, drop out. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Hey, what's up? Okay, what are you doing? Now I'm just here planning for my essay that I'm gonna write later. Yep, another one. I honestly don't even know why I'm doing this. It's stressing me out. I honestly, I don't want to do this anymore. I honestly feel like dropping out. I just want to. What do you mean, drop out? No. There won't be no dropping out, okay? Finish what you started. Listen, if you knew that you couldn't have done it, you wouldn't have done it in the beginning. So yeah, it's hard, but nothing's easy. Did you really expect it to be easy? Come on, stay in there, do your work. When you graduate, you'll see why you stayed. So all of that, oh, I want to drop out business, listen, there's no way out of this, okay? The only way out is hard work. So keep working. So how about you go plan the essay? We all have two types of friends. The ones that want to see you win and the ones that claim they want to see you win. Claim they want to see you happy. Claim they're here for you. Claim that whatever you decide, they're here. And honestly, that's not really good, because whatever you say to them, they're gonna agree. And as a person, it's not allowing you to grow. It's not allowing you to improve, because anything you say, it could even be the worst idea ever, and they're gonna agree with you. And it's allowing you to stay in your comfort zone. It's not allowing you to be outside your comfort zone and improve. So anything they agree with, you just won't know if it's good or if it's bad. And it's not good for you either. They're afraid to disagree with you. They just, yeah, whatever it is, they're just, okay, yep. They don't want to see you grow. They claim it, but they don't really want to see it. But then you have the other friends that want to see you win, that ain't afraid to tell you anything, and they don't care how you feel after. You know, the ones that claim that, not claim, that want to see you win, that actually want to see you start from the bottom and make your way up to the top. Now, in my example, I used uni, and the reason why I used uni is because a lot of my friends have gone to uni, and whenever I talk to them, I'm like, hey, what's going on, you know, how's uni? Uni's this, uni's that, I can't take it anymore, why did I go to uni, blah 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 blah, I got so much work, this, that and the other, I want to drop out, this. No, there is no dropping out on my watch. I'm telling you, no. You started it, you know why you started it, and you're gonna finish what you start. And I said that to all of them because, listen, you know why you studied that subject. Okay, so you're going to finish it regardless whether you like it or not. Nothing is easy in life, and I tell you that. Okay, but yeah, that's why I use that example. And you know, you're going to need the type of friend like me to tell you, listen, just go through it. At the end of the day, the result you're going to get, whoo, you're going to see what you've been writing with them essays, with them assignments, when you get what you get out of it. But then, you know, the other friend is going to be like, yeah, drop out. No, you don't want that type of person in your life, because they're like a barrier. They're going to stop you from every good opportunity because they just don't know what to say. And honestly, those type of people also don't have any type of goal for themselves, because honestly, it's the ones that have a goal and know how hard it is to get there. So because of their experience, they know what you're going through too. So that's why they try to motivate you to do well. And you know, it reflects off, because once you motivate someone, someone's then going to motivate you. But if you go to someone that's like, yeah, I'm just, you know, I'm happy with anything you decide, they're just going to be happy for every damn thing you do. So regardless if it's bad or good, and you don't want that, believe me. And plus, it's going to reflect on you. Like, I don't know if I said that already. It's going to reflect on you. So choose wisely. I'm not saying now I'm going to cut off a bunch of people. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying actually realize the people you have around you. And honestly, sooner or later, you're going to see that you're friends with this person and you're friends with that person. So why not realize earlier than later? Because trust me, it will save you a lot of time, believe me. But what I'm trying to say is, just see the people around you that generally want to see you grow. Just have a look, you know. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I don't really know how to put it in a clearer sense, but I think you understand. I think you understand what I'm trying to say, you know. Just surround yourself with positive energy, happy vibes, you know, people that will motivate you, because honestly, it will help you a lot. And I hope it did help a lot. And if it did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I've got more videos. Come on, come back. Why would you want to come back? I mean, you get to see this face. Who wouldn't want to see this face? I'm just joking. But be sure to come back, guys. I've got more videos coming, and I will see you in another one. Bye.